So now let's see how we can add in a subscribe block inside of wordpress.com. So to do that, I'm going to go to the block area and click on the plus button and type in subscribe right here, just like this. So over here, you can see that subscribe button is an option, and here you can go ahead and you have an option to type an email as well. So if I were to go ahead and save this, then what happens is that I can simply go around and preview out the page, and over here you can see that I can go ahead and subscribe this out. So you can see that I have the email address typed in because I've already logged in. So if I were to click on subscribe, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and subscribe it out. So whatever you post, it will be mailed out to them in their email. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and add in a subscribe login. So subscriber login is another option. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, you can see logout is an option. So let me just go ahead and save this. And let's say, for example, refresh this out, and you can see the logout button right here. If I were to go ahead and click, then what happens is that this is what you have, as you can see, and you get the login option right here. And now you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, log in with your password. So let's just go around over here and just add it in. So I'm just going to enter the password. So let me just go ahead and continue with Google right here, just like this, to log in. And then what happens is that I can go ahead and then verify right here to get back onto the page. And you see the logout again, and you see the subscribe right here, just like this again. So that is how you can add in the subscribe block and the subscriber login block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.